Hello all, myself is Prem Chandra and my post graduation has been completed from IIT Bombay and from 2012 and 2014, and after then I will come back in the coaching industry and I will teach the many students, and my many students selected in IITs and many NITs also. So today I will teach one question. This question comes from the continuity. So first you will see that what is continuity. Okay, so continuity, how we'll check the continuity? So given function, given any function f I to r with a function and a belongs to I. Now I will check that function is continuous at a or not. So function is, so if f is continuous at x tends to a if the left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of that point of the function. If this property is hold, then function is called a continuous function. So I will describe one question and I will check first one by this method. This question is continuous or not, and after then I will also by graphical theory also I will check this question is continuous or not. So question is here, question number 1, y equal to greatest integer x. So this is called the greatest integer function, and now we'll check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Given function y equal to greatest integer x, and now I will check the continuity at x is equal to 1. So first we will find the left hand limit and after then right hand limit. So what is left hand limit, what is right hand limit, and what is value of the function? So left hand limit is so how will apply the left hand limit? Limit h tends to 0, f of point is 1 minus h. So whenever you will write the 1 minus s, meaning is the limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h. So you will write greatest integer 1 minus h. But we know that whenever any value of the under of the greatest integer, the less than 1 value is 0, because h is a positive and going to the going to the 0, and but this h is a positive quantity, so 1 minus h is the less than 1 value. That means answer you will get the 0 answer. So left hand limit you will get the 0. Now I will define the right hand limit. So right hand limit is limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h. So limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h equal to, whenever any value greater than 1 but h is very small quantity, so 1 plus h is again going to the 1, so you will get the 1. So left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, that means limit does not exist. Whenever limit does not exist means function is not continuous. So left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, that means that y equal to greatest integer function is not continuous at x is equal to 1, because limit does not exist. So limit does not exist, the function is not continuous. So also you can draw the graph of that function. You can see that graph of function, if draw the graph of function is that one. So greatest integer function you can draw in this way, x axis and y axis. Whenever 0 and 1 is open here, so 0 and 1 value is 0. Whenever 1 to 2 value is 1. Whenever going to the 2 value is 2 and going to the 3. Okay, so this is a greatest integer function. This is also called sometimes the step function of the greatest integer function. So you can see that by graphically how we'll check the continuity. Whenever you can move from one point to another point, and if the jumping is at any point, and that whenever jumping is comes, then at that point function is not continuous. See that whenever you can move to 0 to 1, but whenever comes the 1 after 1 I have one jump. So this is jumping. Whenever jumping is comes, that at that point where is jumping, that point function is not continuous. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you very much.